Have you ever wondered how Desi artisans begin the journey of making a Peshawari Chappal?
Ultraphase takes you inside a real Desi leather workshop where tradition meets craftsmanship.
But what hidden steps prepare this raw hide for its transformation?
How do skilled hands shape the classic Peshawari Chappal you love?
Let's begin the full Desi journey, Dimak, from raw hide to finished masterpiece.
From the tranquil farms where the cattle graze, we move to the bustling heart of leather
To the
market.
Desi hide collection, our craftsmen meticulously trim and rinse each hide by hand, ensuring perfect quality for the next stage. Hides are tossed into metal trays, where they are graded for thickness and quality, a process essential to the local style.
Transport preparation is crucial. The hides are salted, sun-dried, and then meticulously scraped with these local tools.
Raw hides are tossed into these metal trays, where they are graded for thickness and quality by our skilled workers.
These are the finest treated hides, ready for the Chappal workshop. We brought the full order.
In these narrow lanes, the tradition of craftsmanship thrives.
We carefully inspect every hide, removing imperfections before the precise work of separating the straps begins.
A testament to enduring design, these grinders and presses still rely on the rhythmic power of the belt drive system.
To prepare the hide, we apply this rich conditioning oil. After it's absorbed, we use a mallet to gently hammer the
First
leather.
the measurement, then the trim. And always check the tension on those belts.
We hand stretch every hide to ensure maximum suppleness and durability, bringing the fibers to
This
life.
is how my father taught me. You press firmly, feeling the grain. See how it springs back. That is the sign of perfect supple
Using
leather.
the old roller press, we apply steady pressure to the leather, which really brings out the rich texture and color. Precision is key. We use specialized machinery to ensure every strap is uniform, from cutting to sewing. Here in the workshop, tradition meets precision. We take the finest hides and, through rhythmic
The
dedication,
strap cutting machine ensures perfect uniformity. We carefully adjust the gauge before feeding the hide through the spinning blades.
Before it can become a masterpiece, the leather undergoes a meticulous dyeing process.
Here the sole is joined to the upper under immense pressure, ensuring a perfect bond every time.
Of true craftsmanship, raw texture, elegant design, and entirely handmade for you.
We use a heated brass stamp to press our logo deep into the finest leather, ensuring quality with every pair.
In the workshop, every pair of Peshawari Chappals is carefully lathered and stacked by hand before being packed for
The
shipment.
chappals are stacked quickly, ready for distribution across the region.
We check every detail by hand, ensuring the sole is resilient and the stitching flawless. Only then is the polish applied.
The heavy-duty metal construction and smooth rolling wheels make these carts essential for efficient workflow.
From our hands to your home, crafted with pride and tradition.
And that's how Peshawari Chappals are made in our Desi workshop, the traditional way.